In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill out selection really fast with a grid map. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is that we have an empty grid map. As you can see, we're on floor number 0, and a fast way to do this, or the regular way to do this, is just to drag and draw, but that's really slow. We don't want to do that. What we want to do instead is we can click shift, hold shift before you click, hold shift, and we're going to drag, and we can drag as far as you want. Once you have a selection, you can let go. You can see my hands. Now we click Control F, and that will allow us to fill everything. And the way I know this is because when you do this, when you hold shift and or select an area, what you can do to look at all your selections that you would like to do is go to grid map, and now you can see all these shortcuts. You can do a bunch of different things. You can edit Z, you can clear selection, cut selection, clear, duplicate, paste select, just whatever you want, right? So we can cut, for example, and now we can duplicate it, right? And then we can, I believe we should be able to paste select. Nope, we can't do that, my bad. But that there's a bunch of cool things you can do like that. All right, if you guys like this really short video, definitely hit the subscribe button. I would love to do more videos like this. Also, I have a Twitch that you should definitely follow down below, and I have a Patreon you can definitely check out. And lastly, join my Discord. I would love to see you guys there, and it would be really cool to talk to you guys. So I will see you guys later, and have fun learning.